again. Today, I'm gonna be doing a review reaction. We're doing another review reaction again, and this time I'm reacting to Disco Bob Entertainment more. A video of his that you uploaded 1 day ago, which was you know. And the video of his I'm gonna react to is called DQ Candy King Chill Blizzard Review. So yeah, I'm gonna react to it. It's not about further ado. Let's get to the video. The video right now. Let's get it right now.
What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob! Disco Bob! Disco Bob!
Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob.
Oh, hello everyone.
Yo.
I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. So, I'm here at one of my local Dairy Queens. So, I have the Blizzard of the month, which is Candy Cane Chill Blizzard, which has, here's what it looks like. It's got the chocolate pieces in it and peppermint pieces in it. So we're going to give her a try and see what this tastes like. What it looks like up close. Got the chocolate pieces, which is real good, and the combination of the peppermint. I think I'm not sure. I think it's vanilla. I'm not sure, but ice cream. And they also have a sugar cookie Blizzard too. Also, this is the Candy Cane Chill. Ready, for this time of year for Christmas. So this is actually really good, guys. This is really good. I like mint and chocolate together. Very good. Dairy Queen has a lot of Blizzards. I mean, all kinds of different flavors of Blizzards. I got me a small one because I wasn't sure if I'd like it or not. But this is good. Real chocolatey pieces. And the peppermint pieces. This is really good. I like that combination. But like I said, a small one. I didn't want to get real great big one. But hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the month. Candy Cane Chill flavor. Blizzard. So everybody have a good one. And thanks for your support, everyone. You guys are all awesome. I appreciate every one of you. What's so funny, TSM?
And I'm gonna stop the video right there. So yeah. And that's the end of this reaction. And I hope you guys like this reaction. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, return those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos and reaction videos and other videos I do on my channel to your friends and family. So if you want to your choice, because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to Disco Bob Entertainment more if you're new. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And on the main channel here, we're on the road to 3K subscribers. And on the backup channel, Triple Show 2.0, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah. And that's the end of this reaction. And I'll see you all. But more banger reactions, more banger content. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Triple Show signing out. And peace out, Legends. And peace out, everyone.